It's that time. Anytime I see these Best Buy bags or an Amazon box, you know it's game time or some kind of electronic time. I order a lot from Best Buy, I order a lot from Amazon. I am a tech junkie, so we're going to get right into it. Got the Back for Blood Ultimate Edition for Xbox Series X. I believe you can also use it on Xbox One. I got the Ultimate Edition and it came with a little bit of extra stuff. We'll go through all that, see what we got. Let's dig in. I didn't even realize this was out yet. I went to pre-order it so that it would be here Tuesday because I thought it came out Tuesday. And apparently it's available today. It was available on the 7th. So it is available. We'll do that in a minute. Alright, Back for Blood Ultimate Edition. You do have to have internet access to play this game and an Xbox Live subscription. It is an online only game. There's not really a point in playing this game by yourself, which is kind of a bummer. But you know that going in if you buy this game. If you buy it for the Xbox One, it has smart delivery. It does come with the Series X version if you just want the Series X version. This is the spiritual successor, and that's how they phrase it, to Left 4 Dead. It's made by the same developers, Left 4 Dead. It's basically a current take on Left 4 Dead series. Basically run and gun and kill zombies, which is always fun, a good way to kill some time. Back for Blood. The Ultimate Edition includes the base game, limited digital content, and the annual pass. So this is $99. You know what you're paying for when you buy the Ultimate Edition for $99. Much better than the $130 that you pay for something like Far Cry that came with not really anything extra except for the season pass. But again, no single player mode. Alright, co-op campaign. You can play with up to 3 of your friends online or go solo and lead your team into battle. There is no solo story mode to my knowledge. This is a first person shooter. It's got competitive multiplayer. You switch between playing as human or zombie in 4 versus 4 PvP. And they say the game has extreme replayability. A dynamic card system and game director creates different experiences each and every time you play. So that should be interesting. Optimized for Series X, has the smart delivery, 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, online multiplayer from with 1 to 8 players, online co-op from 2 to 4 players, and cross-generation play, which means you can play with Xbox One players if you have the Series X and vice versa. Alright, feels like a purple scissors day. Let's get this thing open. Alright, with the Xbox versions of these games, I like to keep the sticker intact, so we're going to go in at the bottom. Alright, let's get this sticker off. If you're familiar with my channel and my previous Xbox unboxing videos, I like to get these stickers off. And I like to maintain the sticker, so I peel it off slowly. Can you hear that? I get a lot of satisfaction out of pulling that. And it's off, intact. Now let's go down to the bottom. Just put it right there. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. Game disc on the left side. Game disc is just a standard disc, so the DLC is on the card itself. So once you redeem the card, no one else will ever be able to use that extra content. I've seen some versions of the game where the disc itself has all the extra content on it. That's not going to be the case here. You got a flyer for HBO Max. I have HBO Max and I love it. I like the fact that during COVID lockdowns, Warner Brothers movies will go to live on HBO Max the same day they're in theaters up until the end of the year. You have, I think, 30 days to watch it before it goes to, the other streaming services for a little bit before it goes back to HBO Max. I actually use HBO Max quite a bit. I think it's like $15 a month for HBO Max. Alright, so the Back for Blood Ultimate Edition Annual Pass. Plus digital content card comes with 3 upcoming downloadable content drops with new story, playable characters, special mutated ridden, and more. Includes rare banner, emblem, spray, and title. Redemption code on back. I'm not showing the redemption code, as I said in one of my previous videos. I accidentally flashed my Hitman 3 Ultimate Edition code on screen during my unboxing video for that. Didn't realize I had done it till it was too late, and somebody screen grabbed it and used my code, so I will not flip that card over. I know these games aren't really meant for their story, but you know, it's always good to have some kind of single player mode. We'll see what kind of trouble I can get into with it. Now, this is the Xbox version. I don't know about other places, but at Best Buy, if you got in early enough, you got an extra steelbook case with it. And I got in early enough. And this is what it looks like. It's got a nice gloss paint job. I did also pick up the PS5 version for a separate video on my other channel. And my PS5 version did not come with the steelbook. They were out of them by the time I got to it. But yeah, this came with my PS5 version. Yeah, this came with my Xbox version. And it's kind of cool how they did this, because you got the regular game and you have the steelbook version. But if you go to Far Cry 6, you just got the steelbook. You didn't get the option of which case you got. And this time you actually get an option of which case you got. So let's get this opened up. I'm sure there's nothing in it but artwork, but you know, it's always good to see. Oh man, there's a little dent on the back of my case. Can you see that? Ah, that's lousy. I don't like my stuff getting dinged. Alright, cool. Look at that artwork. Check that out. That's cool. Zoom in there. That'd be a good wallpaper. That's awesome. Looking forward to this one. Let's go ahead and move everything over. Got that in there. That in there. And now we've got the Back for Blood Ultimate Edition with steelbook. What do you guys think? You're going to get this one? You're going to check it out? What's your favorite part of this? What was your favorite part of Left 4 Dead now that they've got it back as Back for Blood? Basically the same thing with a modern take, not a modern spin. Same developer, same basic premise. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.